Alright, back out here at my Bobcat, little 873 F series. So today I'm trying to figure out how this air cleaner housing is going to go in. So I purchased this online. Bobcat wants $300 for this, and so I found one for it was about $85 for this. The problem I'm finding is that outlet. Let's see. I think it would be that outlet. A little bit too small for the hose, so I'm going to have to reduce it somehow. That's the outlet that it's supposed to, inlet that it's supposed to go into. I'm going to say that's about maybe 2 3/4 to 3 inches, and I believe that is about 2.5. But anyway, I'm going to keep this. Came from China, so like everything else, shipping it back is not going to be an option really. So what I come up with is, since this was a burned Bobcat, these little nuts right here are what was remaining after the housing melted. So I've got to take those off, and got this bracket right here, came with it. Somehow figure out how to mount that to that, which shouldn't be too hard. But what I'm running into is this problem, is this relay. I'm not sure exactly how that was mounted in here either. And then of course this hose right here may be an issue. I'm not sure yet. That's kind of how it comes from the factory. So worst case scenario, maybe I put in 22-degree angle fitting right here. I don't know yet, but anyway, this is the Bobcat 873 air filter housing dilemma. I'm going to see if I can take that off and figure out how to mount this up, and maybe a part 2, I don't know.